Ugh. Oh my gosh. It's cold down here. It's cold and dark, which is a nasty combination of the two. So there's a little bit of snow outside. Ooh. Alright. I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, oh, you're a magician. You can just whip up some fire, right? No, it doesn't work like that. Well, maybe not. I could try and give it a shot. Okay. Here is the empty bandana. Nothing in it. I try to make some fire, shake it up some, which is what's gonna get the fire going. What? It's a candle. It's a candle. Which means I can probably do this, right? Come on. Stop shaking. That feels better. Well, now I got our flame up. A little more light. And some heat. That feels better. Oh, looks brighter in here already. This is part 1 of Card Blizzard. The trick I invented. This is with candle magic. Watch and I'll have the second video with the card trick. It's pretty cool. I like this. Don't try this at home. I have to say that. Do not try this at home. You don't know what you're doing unless you are a magician. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time.